Okay, hello.
Hi.
Hello, we're here with Mich. Mich, what's your name in full?
Michael Ecker.
Michael Ecker. Michael Ecker, I know from a longer time before, and he's one of the guys who is the most fascinated about video synthesis and video synthesizer. During the day with LCX and a lot of people who going back in analog stuff, I want to show some of his gear over here. Can you tell me about you make this own format or a big format of?
Yeah, so it started earlier with this modulus.
Yes, like kind of Goeroe rack system.
The Synky, which is a analog video processor mainly. There's some synthesis going on, but I'm not really focused on synthesis in the
Yeah,
strict terms, but
you use a lot of video, also feedback and more, of course.
and lots of feedback.
Yeah.
And I use the cameras to film stuff and bring them back together.
Okay.
So it started with a modular system, with just trying out stuff and inventing different kinds of working with the video signal on an analog level.
Interesting. So these are one of your first things. This is, for example, modulators that they also will use in making music.
Yeah, so we've got some really basic stuff here, like an LFO. Well, it's not.
You're using also 2mm banana jacks. That's also
Yeah,
fascinating.
that's cool. So you can just like connect them
stackables
together,
in.
stackable.
Very cool.
And I can bring this signal here into my brand new video mixer that I built in this winter. It's just
So this whole thing is a big mixer.
This is a mixer for signals from like CV
Yes.
up to audio, up
Yes.
to video. So we're talking about 10 megahertz of range.
Whoa, that's good.
It's not very high quality mixer because it's made with my own hands.
Yeah, but it's good.
a
You can
fun
see
thing.
in
And
front what you're gonna.
is really completely special. If you do video mixing, usually you have like this A/B mixers where you can
Yeah.
just put one camera and switch to the other and have some effects. And this mixer is built like a audio desk. So you have like lots of channels. There will be like 12.
Yeah. It's how do you say that? Model. It are models.
It's already a modular again.
Modular,
but
yeah.
You have lots of channels.
This is
And
really
I
a
have
big
4
format, by the
outputs.
way. Then yes.
So I can put this signal now on this output. And
Okay. So we have here a video output over here. The signal is over there in the mixer. We have 2.
And now
Sounds
we're
really
listening to this.
So it's sound and
Oscillator.
video. We listen to the analog oscillator, how it reacts.
The electrical signal. as
Nice.
video.
Nice. Nice. And people are knowing a lot of things from Gijs Gieskes, also from LZX, and of course there is some digital stuff from Teenage Engineering and Glitter and Kitari. What is for some people handy because it's monkey proof, but you cannot go deep. This is very deep, but also just finding spots, and that's the cool thing about it, to go really deep in feed. So this is a video feedback system also, right?
Yeah, so
Or it's this one?
that's the
All right, we got that.
first we're gonna look at.
So you're filming something on the stream?
Filming this LFO on the screen. The camera is turned like 90 degrees,
Yeah.
so there's gonna be interference and stuff. It's
Yes.
not really well placed for showing what I wanted to do, but whatever. And we can see that the modulation has an effect on the sound as well. So we already have like a rhythm going on, and it's just like these oscillating systems here.
Nice. This video mixer is really magic. So what's also fun about the video mixer is it's about analog synthesis, but the screens in there are quite new. So you still have the technology of today somehow.
Yes,
and
it wouldn't have been possible in the 70s, stuff like that.
Really nice. Yes. When it's dark, I will make another video for maybe performance only when you're playing around.
Yeah.
This is interesting. We have a lot of people who are interested in this kind of thing. Remember, if I'm filming, there is some kind of shaking of not my hand, but how we used to film analog stuff. It worked differently.
Yes.
So those are sequencers, for example.
These
right?
are sequences, yeah. Also, the special kind of sequencer where we have like 4 inputs.
Yeah.
And it's basically a switcher. It's a switching sequencer. So I can, let's say, grab the picture of the one camera, have it in this channel.
Yeah.
Put on another camera on a second channel. And let's see, maybe some oscillator here, and another one here.
So it's patching now to the output.
Let's see. I need more channels. I definitely need.
Relax. Relax.
So let's see. Yeah, we can see and.
Nice. And this goes now on a sequencer. This one.
Yes, this is the sequencer. We have
Nice.
so this camera that shows moments. We've got this camera that shows moments.
Nice. There's also an output, 2 output monitors over here. We are in Switzerland in the mountains. This is all a lab that we created for development and for fun. Really interesting. This thing can go really deep. Yeah, super nice. It's also, you made 90% of it or you make all of it? Nice.
I work a lot with my brother.
Yeah.
Often it's like me having a strange idea and I start to build it and then it doesn't work. My brother has a lot of patience going through it and finding problems.
I know from personal. I know. Yeah, you built it also with your brother years ago. I know, but how long you are already with building this? Because I know it was around 8 years or 10 years ago.
Yeah. We started 2010, I think.
All right. So already 13 years, 14 years almost. Yeah.
But this one is brand new.
Yeah, it's really unique, man. With these LED screens, and it looks so. So this is one model. You can take it out. It's like a Eurorack.
You can have a look at inside.
We can look at inside. Yeah, we have people who wants to look inside too, of course.
Yep.
So it's like a kind of Eurorack model. It's really interesting. Oh, really beautiful. Really
this is the input section. This is the 4 VCAs, and
so it's
this is the effects board.
It's by a ribbon cable. It's on there for power and for the connection to other things, and then you have here also the in and outputs.
Yeah, we've got video input. This is a pre-fader output, so I can go out and have a monitor on that or use that for feedback somewhere else.
Yeah.
It's pre-fader.
Yeah.
And this is a Genlock output because we have to like synchronize the cameras together. So everything is gen locked actually, so you cannot use any cheap consumer cameras.
Yes, this is a product that you make by yourself. It looks almost like a ready product in Eurorack, to be honest, especially from the front.
There's hot glue. This is plexi. This is wood.
Yeah, but it's not so bad, to be honest. But yeah, the other question that people will ask, of course, and also I'm curious. Is there any commercial purpose? Do you want to perform or do you want to make these machines and maybe sell them? Because there are a lot of people liking these kind of things.
Yeah, sure. So the main purpose is I need this to perform. I have been performing for the last 4 years without this, and I was always thinking, shit, I need this for myself.
So actually, you are a user, performer, and then you miss sometimes some things, and then you make it yourself.
Yeah. It takes a long time.
Yeah.
That's how I function.
Okay.
So I'm not really to be able to sell this. This would be quite, again, a huge step. You have to. It has to be perfect. It's okay, yeah, but I know it. And
can it be 100% perfect if it's analog? It's always a kind of space like. 10% could be different than a different oscillator, but it still works.
That's right. But so this is a completely other level of developing if you develop for other people.
I understand that. So your responsibility is really high.
High responsibility, and sometimes I have a lot of doubts. Is this the way to go? Is it wrong?
Okay, so you want to do this development to be 100% sure if other people can use it. But yeah, I'm already sure.
A lot of people play with it in the last few weeks, and actually, yes, people get it quite quickly, and it's a nice.
Well, of course, it's your choice if you want to do it. I think there are a lot of people are interested in this, and of course, you need to think about it, how you develop that and how you put that on. And people who are interested must maybe contact him. I don't know if he will have Facebook or something.
No, I don't have Facebook.
No.
No. I agree on Facebook.
No, it's also not like you must have a Facebook, but...
So maybe you can give the link to my website, which is anima.ch.
Okay, tell me the website, but I can also write it in there.
Yeah, so it's Anima.
Yes.
.ch.
I will also.
The whole project is on GitHub. It's open source.
It's open source also, people.
Maybe someone in China just builds this for us. This will be perfect.
That's possible, but I think also there are a lot of nice people on the forum of LZX who are now thinking, "Oh, where is it?" And maybe we should check it out. And maybe we should check it out. Really interesting. These 3 things over here, there are actually potential meters, and then really sensitive one because your range is really big.
It's a very bad, cheap potentiometers here. The same we have got here.
Okay, so you have like a kind of attenuator, but you have a whole range with this.
But if you go with this one, it's very difficult to find.
I hope people can also hear the low bass, but the low bass is really nice. It fits good to the screen.
And with these, I don't know which one is which, but let's see. I think maybe I just killed it actually.
It is a kind of attenuator, right?
It's just a very huge potentiometer knob, and so you have very fine control.
Yeah, really fine control.
You can go fast as well.
Yeah. And is this from the industry, or do you make this yourself?
This is wood.
This is wood.
Some pieces of wood, laser cut.
Interesting, because you can find really small spots, and that's the thing with video synthesis. That
you have to be very precise.
You have to be really precise to find your range.
The nice thing is It's really easy to build.
Yeah. So you invented this, let's say it like this. Is it also on GitHub?
Not yet.
Maybe that's interesting.
It's so simple, yeah. But
Yeah, but maybe it's interesting. Yeah. Well, from here, very cool stuff. Yeah, I want to thank you for your for that I can show this to the people. I'm not really a journalist or something, you know, but I know some interesting people who do interesting thing. And for me personally, this is next level. And I know there are people who have this also, this feeling. That's why I make a small video of this. There's nothing about profit or any shit at all. Yes. But I want to thank you for watching. I would put some information of him on the same movie in the text, and then you can find it. And yeah, we are based now here. We are in Switzerland. You're from Freiburg, right?
Yeah, that's just.
Yes, I hear. Oh, he had also a bizarre, beautiful atelier workspace, but that's maybe for next year. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you, Mick. Ciao.